Hello everyone, and welcome to a very special live from the workshop. Now the other week I got a message from the lovely Christel Dee, who is the host of the Doctor Who fan show, saying that she was a big fan of my Live from the Workshop series and asked if I'd be interested in doing something for the fan show. Obviously, I said yes. But what to make? That was the question. We discussed a few ideas before I hit on the idea of making a figure of Christel herself. Now this actually came about because I was trawling through my bin of spare parts and I just managed to find the pieces that I thought would make a good Christel Dee figure, so I decided to put one together. So, I hope you enjoy this very special Live from the Workshop in collaboration with the Doctor Who fan show. So, here is the finished Christel figure. Overall, I'm very happy about it. I hope Christel's very happy with it too. Unfortunately, the hairstyle isn't perfect because I'm not great still at sculpting, so unfortunately I couldn't do a new sculpt for that. And there are still some remnants of Ace's jacket on the back. But overall, I'm actually really pleased with how this has come out. So to give you all a figure breakdown, it's an Abby Maitland Primeval legs with an Ace jacket and undershirt, which have all been repainted obviously, and then an Abby Maitland head with the 10th Doctor's glasses. Obviously, you know, these things, you have to use the parts you've got, so I appreciate it's not a perfect likeness of Christel, but as I said, I do hope that she's pleased with it, and I'm very pleased with how it's come out, so you know, I really hope that I've done her justice. I just want to give a big shout out and a huge thank you, not just to Christel, but to everyone at the Doctor Who fan show. I can't stress enough how much this means to me, being able to do something in collaboration with the official fan show. It really is a huge thing for me. to have a part in anything that's something official to do with Doctor Who. So, you know, I really can't say thank you enough. But not just to everyone at the Doctor Who show. I want to say thank you to everyone who continues to like, favourite, subscribe, and share my videos. Without you guys, I wouldn't be here having the opportunity to do this now. So, you know, a huge thank you to you guys as much as anyone at the Doctor Who fan show. You know, this really is quite a landmark for me, so I'm very pleased and I'm very proud that I've been able to present this to you all. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, favourite, subscribe, share, it really helps me out a lot. And I'll see you all with another video very soon.